Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelet rice at home. Omuris, a beloved Japanese comfort food, brings together a fluffy, tender omelet and flavorful chicken fried rice. This dish is a fantastic way to enjoy a satisfying meal with a unique blend of textures. We will guide you through each step, from preparing the savory rice to crafting the perfect, delicate egg blanket. Get ready to create a delicious and impressive dish right in your own kitchen. First, let's prepare the flavorful ketchup rice. Begin by dicing about 100 grams of chicken and half an onion into small, uniform pieces. Sauté these with a tablespoon of butter until the chicken is cooked and the onion is translucent. Next, add 2 cups of cooked, day-old rice, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir-fry everything together for a few minutes until the rice is evenly coated and heated through. Now for the star of the show, the omelet. Crack 2 to 3 large eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of milk, then beat them well. For an extra silky texture, strain the egg mixture. Heat 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in an 8-inch non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and quickly stir with chopsticks, shaking the pan to create soft, creamy curds while keeping the surface smooth. With both components ready, it's time to assemble. When your omelet is about half cooked and still slightly runny on top, turn off the heat. Place 1 portion of the prepared ketchup rice in the center of the omelet. Gently fold the sides of the omelet over the rice, shaping it into a neat oval or football. Carefully slide the omuris onto a serving plate, seam side down. Finish with a generous drizzle of ketchup or a rich demi-glace sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.